Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, how are you doing?
Sir, fine, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, everything is fine in my life. Okay, thank you so much for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine, sir. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, sir, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, yes, of course. So, I'm Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar, the district Madhubani. And as far as my educational qualification, I am an arts graduate since 2019, and presently I am teaching, and simultaneously I am working on YouTube. And talking about my interest, I love making videos. I love talking to the people, and I love playing cricket. So yeah, that's all. So could you please speak something about yourself?
So, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir, for introduce myself. So, my name is Pradeep
Mhm.
Soren, and I'm from Jharkhand, district Goda. So,
Okay,
if I say about my qualification, I have completed intermediate, and now I'm doing ITI. And
oh
along
great,
with, I'm learning English.
that's very interesting. So nowadays you are practicing to learn English, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so in which standard do you study?
Now I'm doing ITI after completing intermediate.
Okay, so you have done your intermediate, and nowadays you are doing ITI.
Yes, sir.
How's your study is going on? Like ITI, how is it going on?
Uh, my college is government, sir. So you know that how is going government college.
Yes.
So we have sometimes we have class, and each Saturday we have we have exam. So that's also I'm preparing for the examination.
Okay, so how may I help you? Okay, because you told me that. Okay, should I talk to you? Okay, so how may I help you? Okay, I'm here. So please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So one question I would like to ask, sir, because I have when I speak to any people, so I have a hesitation, and when I speak English, so I'm forgetting words also.
Hmm.
So how can I overcome from this all difficulties?
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much, for asking this question. Okay, well, this is very nice question. Okay, and I'm happy to tell you the answer of this question. It's not a big issue, or it's not big problem. You can easily to get rid of this problem because it happens with everyone. It does not happen only with you. While speaking words do not come to in your mind, and you forget the words. Okay, so that is very simple things, and it will only come by doing the practice. So you have to do the practice more and more. You have to connect to the people who is interested to in this language. So you have to talk more and more. Thereafter everything will be all right, and you will get the right words on the right time. So that is very simple things. You do start, you do practice, definitely everything will be all right. I hope you understand the answer.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So and I'm not able to speak fast also, sir. So can you give me any suggestion?
Oh, I mean, you were talking about you are not in a speaking fast.
Yeah, yeah.
First of all, I just make you understand that English is just a language. English is just a language, and it should not be fast. Yeah, it should be. I think you have the fluency. I mean, you you do not get stuck. You do not get fumble. But because people consider that I'm speaking fast. Okay, then people will think that I'm fluent. So don't think like that. You have to speak
Yes, sir.
slowly, because when you speak slowly, then people will like you the way you are speaking. So do not think about that. Okay, this is not a problem, because problem is that okay, you are speaking very fast but you do not speak slowly. Okay, that is the problem, but you are speaking slowly, so that is good things. But just imagine that you are speaking in Mathli, you are just speaking in Santhali language, you are speaking Bhojpuri language. So do you speak fast? Not at all. You speak with the fluency. So please try to work on your fluency. I hope got the point.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So because I have been learning this language 6 months. So now it is going 7th month. So
Okay, so do
I'm
you take
giving
any
for
class? Do you take any
no sir.
classes, or you are doing by yourself?
No sir, I have not taken any class, so I am doing myself only. Every day I
That's
watch
really
English movie, and while like a conversation video, I have watched your video also, sir. So you are
thank you so
talking
much.
very much.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's my pleasure. Okay, because I just got a person. Okay, like you that. Okay, who is appreciating myself. Okay, so thank you so much. I think, and if you find that okay, there is need for improvement. Okay, then please tell me. Please do the comment. Okay, then definitely I will work on that thing. Because learning is not a learning is not a destination. It's a lifelong process. We learn and we improve every day, from children, from youngers, from anyone. Yes, I think, do you know Mr. Jaddu? Do you know Mr. Jaddu?
Yeah, yeah, I have seen his video also.
He comes from your state.
Oh,
Yeah, and he is viral on YouTube now, and I think he has completed 20K subscriber.
yes, sir.
But if you talk about that guy, he is trying well, but he is speaking is so fast. But and he will make so many mistakes. He will make so many grammatical mistakes. So what do you think, that if he is speaking fast, that is good? No. But why people they support you? Because he comes from the that community, okay, where it is difficult to learn and where it is difficult to speak. So that's why people support him. But when he talk honestly, okay, he does not have good quality. He does not have good quality of speaking. But however, he is going to be viral, just thanks to the sympathy, you can say that, thanks to God.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so do not think about that. Okay, I'm not speaking fast. No, it's not. If you start speaking fast, okay, then people will not watch you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how long have you been working on YouTube?
Yeah, I have been working for a few days before, maybe 10 days before I have made YouTube channel,
Hmm.
like
So
a
what's your channel
conversation
name?
video. Like a conversation video I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. My YouTube
What?
channel name is Pradeep with English. My English with Pradeep.
English with Pradeep. Wow, that's really amazing name.
Yes, sir.
So have you done your breakfast?
No, sir, I have not taken breakfast. So, and I'm living hostel. So,
Hello.
sorry, sir. Somebody was calling me. Therefore, that.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, it happens with me sometimes. Yeah,
Yes,
when we are having conversation. Okay, in the meanwhile, okay, people make call. Yeah, so that is
yes.
a simple problem. Yeah, because in the same time, okay, in the same application, we get the call.
So,
Hmm.
because I don't have any friends, those who speak English, and because of that, I'm not able to speak means fluently.
Mhm. Okay, definitely. We are living in India, okay, and we are the part of in a globe, okay. So there are many people, okay, who is interested and who are interested to learn, okay, this language. So you can connect yourself with the globally. Definitely, you will find the people or like you, find the people like me, okay, and you can connect yourself. Not think about that, okay. I think you must have dedication to learn something. If you have dedication and if you have passion, then definitely you can get the people and you can improve yourself. Yes, because
Yes, sir. Yes.
right now you are from you are from Jharkhand and I'm from Bihar. So how can I connect to you? Because just because
Yes,
of the technology.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how is your channel is going on?
Yeah, now it is my channel has got 14 subscriber.
Okay, keep working, keep doing hard work, and
Yes, sir.
definitely one day you will get many subscriber, many views. Yeah. First of
Yes,
all,
sir.
I think you should give the value of your work. Do not think about the result. Do not think about the consequence. Because
Yes,
if
sir.
you are doing a good job, then definitely result will come to you.